already appreciated the cooks, like for cooking for us and everything, but now I appreciate it a lot more because I understand now what they go through with this heat. Like if it's already 100 degrees outside, they're in like 120 degrees.
I'm here in Guernsey, Wyoming, where I'm meeting up with the food service specialists who are part of the 960th Brigade Support Battalion. They typically report to the Armory in Powell, but this week they are part of the Golden Coyote exercise, where they will be providing hot meals and cold drinks, which is a morale booster in itself for the soldiers who are out here training. The training gives these food service specialists the opportunity to use the CKT.
CKT stands for Containerized Kitchen with Trailer. So basically it's just a trailer with a kitchen built inside of it, and it fits together a lot like a puzzle piece.
This is Private First Class Eric Schloop. He's the head cook during this exercise and lives in Anchorage, Alaska.
Our main role as 92 Gulfs, which is also known as a culinary arts specialist, is to provide sustenance for all of our soldiers, airmen, Marines, whoever we happen to be training with, because everybody's got to eat, especially everyone out in the field fighting the good fight.
This is Sergeant Taylor Hoops. He's fairly new to the food service specialist career and has been doing it for about 2 years, but has been in the National Guard for a total of 9.5 years.
I actually enjoy cooking, so even on the civilian side, I like to cook at home. I've worked in kitchens in the past and saw an opportunity to help our cooks out, and I took the opportunity to jump in and add some knowledge, insight, and have some fun. It has been a busy few days. We got a really good crew helping us, so it's been interesting, hot and tiring, but we're pulling it off and we're doing very good at it.
These food service specialists hustle to make 3 meals a day. They put in long hours and sometimes not in the most favorable conditions. But if they can change someone's entire day with a hot meal, then mission accomplished. For the Wyoming Military Department, I'm Technical Sergeant Jackie Marshall.